Hi, I'm Ada. Welcome to my channel. This is the world of app development. Not long ago, I couldn't even imagine being part of it. But a few months ago, something changed. The doors opened, and I walked in. Until now, this place was reserved for coders, programmers, and developers. Not for people like me. I didn't know how to code. I just had this constant flow of ideas, stuff I wanted to build, apps I wished existed. And then I found adaptive AI. It's like having my own army of developers, each one working around the clock, turning my words, my prompts, into real apps. With adaptive, I learned how to vibe code. So instead of writing code, I just write what I want the app to do. There are literally no limits. It will build whatever I can imagine. With precision and in minutes, it solves any task I put in front of it. It doesn't just follow instructions, it grows, learns, and evolves with me. Hard to believe, isn't it? And trust me, this is just the beginning. Follow my channel for more.